I saw this, I was very much shook. Okay, so Clarissa have launched a new Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. First of all, Guava, I'm obsessed. This is a picture of someone who used the product for 4 weeks and the difference is literally insane. So it brightens dark circles and depuffs, so let's give it a go. So this is the product, isn't the bottle so cute? This is what it looks like. I like to just put a little pump on my fingers, rub it in, and then spread it between both of my eyes. It smells absolutely incredible. The texture of it as well is so nice, it's very moisturising. This is the consistency of the eye cream. It is so moisturising and feels incredible on your skin. I believe as well that 100% of people who have tried the eye cream saw that their skin looked smoother around the eye area. And I've always struggled with dry skin under my eyebrows and dark inner corners, so this is an absolute miracle.